and thanks for joining me today on Design by Kathy. Today I have a project. It's going to be a makeover. It was a little piece that I bought years ago before I ever left Texas to come to California. Got it at probably either Kirkland's or Michael's. Well, somehow in the move, it got damaged, and I'll show you pics to come up. But I want to show you, I actually forgot I had it. It's been sitting in the back of the closet, and I found it, and I thought, I know exactly what to do with this. So let's get started. So here's the piece that we're going to make over today. It's on a little tin type frame thing here. I've taken off the little bathtub that screws right in here. And I'm not going to do anything with this right now. I like that. This color works for what I need it to, so I'm going to leave it just like it is for now. Unless, you know, something goes completely wrong and we totally need to, you know, redo for the color, or it could be customized for a particular room. So what I want to do first is I've got this 1-2-3 Bullseye primer. I've already kind of looked at these colors, the color of the bathtub and the colors in here, and what I'm going to be using is this color, which has no name because I have mixed some Bahama blue, some aquamarine, a little bit of Calypso blue, and just a tinge of burnt umber to come up with this color that I felt like coordinated pretty well. As you can see, I've got a little dry spot here, but coordinated pretty well with the little bathtub. But what I want to do first to prepare this surface is I'm going to put a coat of primer on it, and those little scratches will be underneath the little bathtub, so that's not going to matter. This particular primer is pretty low odor, and it dries pretty fast too. So that's the other nice thing for me is, you know, if you don't have a lot of great wide open space to work in, it's really nice to use something that's gonna be a pretty low odor. And you want the pretty, you know, the fast drying time, or I do. I get impatient. I want to go ahead and do my project. Okay, so I've mixed my 4 colors, my burnt umber, the Calypso blue, I've got some tan, and my made-up color that I blended, you know, made from several other colors. And I have layered my paints all in here. Got a nice little dirty pour cup ready. And let me see, let me move things out of the way. My primer is all nice and dry. So this is what I just want to do, just a regular dirty pour. This is all layered in here really nicely, I think. This blue, I didn't want the blue to be too predominant. So the blue's gonna be it's in here, but I just didn't want it to jump out here and take over. So I was trying to be real careful with this color blue, because as you can see, that's pretty bright, and I didn't want it to just jump out there. So let's see what we can get here. I see that I'm really liking the color combination here. I'm just hoping I have enough paint. I was running low on a couple of them there, or one of them. Should have enough. Nice. I can see a little bit of the blue. You can see it popping out here now. And you can tell that if I'd had a lot of that blue going on, it would have probably taken over, which is what I didn't want. I do, however, see a little something going on here that, maybe not. I thought I had a little something that, oh, I know what that is. That's where the little hole is to put the bathtub back in. See if we can get that corner. Got really nice little hints of my little made-up color that I thought was pretty close to the bathtub color. Whoops. No. Oh, nice. Nice colors. And when I say nice colors, they're nice colors to me. They're what I like. I want you to choose colors that make you feel good, that you like. I am liking how these went together well. I want that to roll off just a little bit there. Okay. On that edge, I want that to, there we go. I want to make sure that you don't see any of the primer when all that well covered. I have a floor mat in my bathroom that had these colors in it, and that's what I chose my palette from, in addition to kind of coordinating with the bathtub and the colors that were already on this little tin. Nice. I want to see where my holes are. There they are. I'm gonna just hold this up to it and see how it's potentially gonna look there. I'm pulling, a little bit more of the blue, but like I said, this has blue in it, and I have blue is one of the colors in my shower curtain and my rug. So I think that's gonna work great. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and we'll put the tub on and then take a look at the final outcome. And now I want to show you the finished piece. I think it came out really cool. I'm pretty happy with it. It beats throwing it in the trash for sure. So this is what we came up with. So, you know, you never know what you may have hiding in your closet that now you know what you can do with it. So I hope you'll give it a try. Dig around, find some old, you know, something and turn it into a new treasure. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate your comments and your likes and shares. And thanks any of you new folks tuning in. I hope that you will also subscribe. So anyway, whatever you do, guys, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Have a great day.